Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, Dalton Harris bears his soul on Sim Soul Session. Simone Clark Cooper's Sim Soul Sessions last night featured rising star and X Factor winner Dalton Harris, who shared details on his recent time in rehab.
I went to rehab in Arizona, Phoenix for 2 weeks, and it was the best decision I made in my life, and I think there was a lot of childhood trauma that I needed to heal. And upon going to rehab, I was speaking with my mom because it was right around January where we started communicating again. And I was like, Mom, I'm going into rehab and this is what I'm going to speak about. And it's going to be hard. So it was tough. Rehab was tough because, there's no phones, there's no contact with the outside world really. And it's like school. So you get up from 7 and then you go and you're doing experiential work. You're describing your feelings, you're addressing and coming face to face with all the trauma from childhood.
Dalton's revelation sparked an emotional response on social media, with persons applauding him for his courage to be open with his feelings. The singer has been vocal about his strained relationship with his mother in the past. Sim Soul Sessions will feature the artist and now Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel enter the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The War Boss and the Gargamel have made their debut on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Buju Banton's Upside Down album is at number 2, while Vybz Kartel's new album of Dance and Divas made its debut at number 6. Both albums, Upside Down 2020 and of Dance and Divas, were released on June 26. The charts, which are updated weekly, were released today. Buju's 20-track album, which received heavy publicity on online playlists and in international publications, includes collaborations from Pharrell Williams, Stephen Marley, John Legend, and Stefflon Don. Vybz Kartel, who maintains that Of Dance and Divas is Grammy-worthy, recruited more artists for the 18-track album, including Skilly Bang, Tommy Lee Sparta and his sons, Little Vybz and Little Addy. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.